Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC. Thank you so much for checking in. I'm here with this 2023 KTM 450 SXF that we are giving away to our first place finisher for the 2023 RM Fantasy SX season. If you've played Fantasy SX, you know the deal. It is the best way to make Monster Energy Supercross even more exciting. And the best part is, it is absolutely free. You heard me right. It is free to sign up. It is free to play. We give away over $100,000 worth of prizes throughout the year. We do 100 weekly prizes, and we do amazing grand prizes at the end of the year, like this 450 SXF. And today what we want to do is we just want to walk you through and show you that we don't just give away a stock motorcycle, but this bike comes fully loaded. And before I get into it, I just want to start by saying thank you so much to all the sponsors of Fantasy that make this possible. We couldn't do it without you. And I'm talking about companies like KTM. They donate multiple bikes every year for us to give away. And as you're about to see, it's not just the bike. They give also a lot of cool hard parts to bolt onto these as well. But you've also got FMF, longtime sponsor of Fantasy. They give away a full exhaust system for our bikes. And with this one, you can see it's got the blue exhaust with the full header. It's incredible. And then you got Race Tech, who does the suspension completely customized and revalved for the winners, and a whole lot of other great sponsors throughout the year. So again, big thank you. Support those brands that support Fantasy. Now that being said, let's just go through and walk through this bike and show you everything that's going to come included, and also to let you know that everything that you see on this bike right now, if you have a 2023 or even older KTM model, you can buy all the parts on our website that we're about to show you. So first and foremost, we talked about it, 23 450 SXF, incredible motorcycle, but we don't stop there. We take the suspension, it goes to Race Tech. They get the rider's information, their weight, their skill level, the type of riding that they like to do, and they do a complete custom revalve for that rider. And what's cool about Race Tech is you can buy their gold valves right from our website, and I've used gold valves on all my bikes for years now. They're phenomenal. But what's great about those is that you can actually buy the gold valve. We have how-to videos that are very detailed step by step, and you can go through and custom and revalve your suspension from home and save yourself a lot of money, and you learn a lot all at the same time. Again, FMF Exhaust, big long-time sponsor of the series. What's cool about FMF is that when they take and they build these exhaust systems, they take the motorcycle stock, they put it on a dyno, they look at the power curve, and then say, okay, what do we need to do? How should we build our exhaust to give what we feel is the best power curve for that bike? And so you just gotta know that every time you put an exhaust on your bike from FMF, it is tailor-made for that exact motorcycle. So last few things we gotta talk about, we got the Dunlop MX-33 tires on here, front and rear, oversized front brake rotor, and last but not least, you have a fully custom graphics kit from Attack Graphics. Attack has amazing graphics kits for all different motorcycles at an amazing price, so be sure to check them out. And that does it. This is our 2023 RM Fantasy SX first place 450 SXF bike build. Again, if you want your chance to win a motorcycle like this, then you need to play RM Fantasy SX. We're gonna be back in 2024 bigger and better than ever. So make sure to subscribe to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and as we get closer to the season, you're gonna go on, you're gonna create your free account, you're gonna make your picks, and trust me, it will make racing even that more exciting. We even have our live RM Fantasy SX YouTube show, where myself, our co-host, we go through, we give you amazing stats on all the riders, and we just give you great information that's gonna help you make your picks. So make sure, get subscribed, follow along, join us for 2024. Again, big shout out and thank you to all the sponsors and our winner who is taking this bike home. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.